Hello team, welcome to another video for Tire Base. In this video we're going to see how to create services. We're going to do the procedure of creating a service. We're also going to go over the details on how to apply rules, how to specify the service has to be applied to any run flat. But yeah, we're going to go through all of those aspects. So we're going to go to the products and services section. This is where we're going to create our products and services also. If we go to the services tab, here's where you're gonna be able to find all of your services. From here you can edit each service, and also there are certain ones that are by default in the system, so they cannot be deleted. They can be modified however, but they cannot be deleted, as you can see. So if you create a new service, you're gonna be able to delete it and also to make any modifications on it. So if we go to any product and we want to add tags, we can do that also from this section. So we can create tags for services directly here in this section, and we can also add those tags here by just clicking the add tags button. But if you want to create a service from scratch, you have to go to the add button here. So from here we're going to select the store. This is the main store we're going to add this services to. There's also the option for to make it taxable or not taxable if you want that. That's also optional. And if you select taxable, the service is going to appear within the order form as taxable with the checkbox of taxable active. Just make sure to have this specified. Also the service number, we can put any service number here. So if I go like this, general, free, example. All right, so we're gonna call it like this. This is gonna be my service, and we're gonna also specify one per item or one per order. If you specify one per item, depends on how many items you add. So this is going to be added multiple times if you have one per order, and if you have multiple items that apply to these rules for this service specifically, it's going to be added multiple times. But if you select one per order, it's only going to be added once, regardless of how many products you add within the order form. So we're going to leave it at one per order, and also we're going to specify here the type price. In this case, if you want to do a dollar price, you can do this by just selecting how much is it going to cost. So in this case, we're going to put 15. And if you select a one per item, there's also the option for you to select the percentage. So if you select here, I don't know, 10%, it's going to be applied to that item basically whenever you add it to the order form. But in this case, we're going to leave it as one per order, and we're going to just leave it as a dollar type price increase, and we're going to specify the price in this case. Okay. There's also, these are certain rules that we can apply. If you select the apply rules checkbox, the system is going to allow you to specify rules. This is only for tires as of now. So you have to specify what's the tire width range for this service to be applied. So if we go 205, and we're going to leave it as 205 15, we're going to leave it from 205 to 215 for tire width. And also for aspect ratio, we can do 55 60 in this case, and also 16 to 17. Okay, so these are my rules. If I have a product that has these requirements, the service is going to apply to that product automatically once I click save. Okay, there's also the option for you to specify if it's an e-com optional. So if you have using e-commerce, you can also mark this checkbox for this service. If a tire is run flat and it qualifies for a run flat, there's also the option for you to mark this checkbox. And if that product has a run flat specification, the system is going to apply that service automatically to that tire. There's also the option for you to mark this as a fee, and we also have the EHF service fee, which in this case, if we select it, we can select the category for the tire, and also the Canadian province in this case, but this is only for Canadian users in this case. But yeah, with that being said, you can apply those rules, and we can also add a description if you want to. Test description. And we're just going to leave it like that. So as you can see, this is the general free example. This is going to be my service, and we can save it from here just like that. So before I go ahead and save it, or well, we're going to save it, and also we're going to go to a order so I can show you how it would look like. So if I go to any order, I'm going to delete all products here so we can bring up the one that we created, 205 5516. As you recall, we applied those rules for any tire that has that range. So we're going to select any tire. By clicking add, the system is going to add that automatically. So as you can see, here's the general free example, and it's going to add that $10 increase as you saw with the example we just did. But yeah, this is how you can add services and how you can apply services to certain items, and the process of creating a service. If you have any questions regarding this procedure, please let me know, and have a good day.